boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar. I have a great song from Tom Odell, the man with the sweet, beautiful voice. And I'm using a guitar that is very sweet as well. It's from Ovation, has this beautiful finish. Look into this deep blue color, love that. Check out my review of it on my Gordon Gear series here on Goran Guitar. Great guitar, grab one if you want to buy a new guitar. I can really highly recommend this guitar. Anyway, let's go into the actual song. Don't cry, put your head on my shoulder. All right, that's the title of the song, and that's a good suggestion if you just fail to begin with the song. But I can assure, if you just put your mind into it, you will success. Not too hard. And if you love this song, then go and get a capo as well, put it on the third position, and let's follow this tutorial. Let's go into the chords now, and we're gonna start with G. This is not your normal G. I'm gonna explain why. For this specific song, we're gonna use just two fingers to start with as a bass. So you're gonna put your ring finger on the 3rd fret E string and your mid finger on this 2nd fret A. And you can leave everything down there below as it is for now. I'm gonna teach you how to handle this G in different versions. So this will be, as of now, the G chord, okay? Into the next chord will be C. That will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the C, B, and basically what you do there is to just change the bass note from this 3rd fret A string to 2nd, and for that maybe you have to recuperate your fingers to this, okay? So I'm holding my mid finger on the 2nd fret A, and then below there it's the same from the C, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So that's the C, B chord. Then we have the A minor. That will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We also got the D chord. D is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have the E minor. And that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. And then we have two more chords left on the B side of it. So what you do here with the B minor first is to place a bar on the 2nd fret and push down the first 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this with the index finger. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. That's the B minor. And finally we'll have the B7. You keep the bar in the same way there. And you need to add then 4th D still, and then 4th B. And that's it for the B7 chord. And there we have all the chords needed for the song. Now, let's go into the song. And this one actually starts with the chorus. And it starts with this version of G. I'm gonna learn you how to play now. As I said, we have the bass for it, and it's the 3rd fret E and 2nd fret A with these two fingers. And with that, we are capable to use our index finger to move around and get certain notes. First, we need to learn the strumming pattern. So if you grab the first G chord, you can just learn it, just play as it is first. And you're gonna play down, 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 up. That's one round. So you're gonna play down, 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 up. And usually when I play this strumming pattern, I like to play the first 2 downs on the bass strings to sort of mark out the chord, and then the down, down, up that follows, I play a little bit on the mid, higher area. So down, 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 up. Alright, so that's the strumming pattern. Now, let's go into this G, and we gonna play 4 string rounds in total of G, but we want to highlight certain notes here from the actual chord. So the first round, the first G, you're gonna try to highlight the open B string when you play the down, down, up. So that is the notes. you want to highlight on the first round. Then the second round, you want to highlight the second fret G string. That's the A note. So for that, you need to add that note with your index finger and keep still that G chord. And then third round, you're going to highlight the first fret B string. That's the C note. And the fourth and final round on this G, you want to play the open B string again, in the same way as you started. So that is kind of a melody that goes there. So one string round per note, you can say here for the G chord. So the melody will be. Okay, so if that makes sense, 4 string rounds of G. And from there on, you're gonna go into the C chord, play 1. Then the CB1, then the A minor 1, and D1. And all that we'll learn now is 1 chord pressure round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. So let's go for the second round without speaking and just play like this. There you have the first chorus. Then we're gonna go into the first verse. The door is locked. We're about 53 seconds in now. You're gonna play the first 2 rounds, C1, A minor 1, E minor 1, and B minor 1. First 2 rounds like this. And then third and final round, you're gonna play C1, A minor 1, B7 2, C2, and D2. C, A, B7, B, C, C, D, D. All right, so that is the first verse. Then you just jump right into the second chorus again and play that in the same way as you play the first one. No changes there. It's so beautiful, so I want to play 1 round for you. It goes like this again. All right. Yes, we know about that part now. You're going to play that for 2 rounds. That's the second chorus. Then you jump back into the second verse and play that exactly in the same way as we just learned. No changes there. And after that second verse, you come to the bridge part. You're now about 2 minutes and 3 seconds in. You're gonna be all right. That's where we are in the lyrics. And we're gonna start this bridge part off with playing C2 and then the CB2. You play that for 2 rounds. So C, CB, again. Then you're gonna continue with C1, A minor 1, E minor 1, and the B minor 1. So you're gonna play that for 2 rounds. Okay, and there you have the bridge part. All right. So yeah, we have that clear, and after that we have then the third chorus, and that is played exactly in the same way we just learned. So no changes there. 2 rounds of the G version, then C, C, B, A minor, D, and then finally we have the outro part left. Okay, so that outro part is played exactly in the same way you played the chorus. You're gonna play for 2 rounds, and yeah, that pretty much sums it up. No news there in the end from Tom Odell. Don't cry, put your head on my shoulder. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Hope that helped, and if you enjoy his songs, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. He will be back for sure. And yeah, as always, play tuned.